Outdoor entertainment has reached a whole new level with the SYLVOX 75-inch outdoor TV. This 4K smart TV is designed to deliver top-tier visuals and sound while handling the elements, making it perfect for backyard movie nights, poolside streaming, or outdoor gaming sessions. The display itself is impressive. With 4K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, motion is smooth, crisp, and responsive. Action sequences, sports, and fast-paced games look incredibly natural without motion blur. Outdoor TVs often struggle to maintain clarity in sunlight, but the SYLVOX 1000 nit brightness ensures the screen is vivid and readable even in broad daylight. Every detail, from shadows to highlights, remains sharp and immersive. The design emphasizes convenience. Equipped with a rolling stand, this TV can be easily moved and positioned anywhere in your outdoor space. You're not limited to a fixed wall mount, which makes it perfect for different setups. Whether it's a backyard cinema experience, an outdoor party, or just casual gaming in the open air, durability is built into the SYLVOX. With an IP55 rating, the TV is resistant to dust, rain, and splashes, making it reliable in all kinds of weather. That means you can leave it outside without worrying about sudden downpours or exposure to dirt and moisture. The exterior is also designed to resist sun damage and general wear, ensuring it remains functional and visually appealing for years. The audio experience is equally remarkable. Integrated with a Dolby Atmos soundbar, the TV produces rich, detailed sound with deep bass and clear dialogue. This eliminates the need for extra outdoor speakers while delivering cinematic audio that fills large outdoor areas. Movie nights and live sports feel immersive, and gaming becomes a fully engaging experience. Connectivity and smart features are designed for modern needs. HDMI 2.1 ports support next-gen gaming consoles like PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X, providing smooth gameplay with minimal input lag. USB 3.0 ports allow quick access to external media. The Google TV interface is intuitive, making it easy to stream Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more. Voice control adds convenience for outdoor use, allowing you to navigate apps or control playback hands-free. Gaming performance is exceptional. The combination of 120Hz refresh rate and HDMI 2.1 ensures that even fast-paced games run smoothly with minimal lag. High refresh rates make competitive gaming outdoors feel just as responsive as an indoor setup, and the vivid 4K display makes every visual detail pop. Beyond gaming and movies, this TV transforms your outdoor space into a versatile entertainment hub. Whether hosting a party, enjoying a relaxing evening under the stars, or watching sports with friends, the SYLVOX outdoor TV adapts effortlessly. Its bright panel, immersive sound, and mobile stand combine convenience, performance, and style. Overall, this TV is not just another outdoor screen. It's an investment in outdoor entertainment. High performance, durable construction, and versatile design make it suitable for any backyard setup. It merges stunning visuals, immersive audio, and smart functionality in a weatherproof package. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor entertainment experience, the SYLVOX 75-inch outdoor TV provides everything you need. From movie nights and gaming to live sports and casual streaming, it turns any outdoor space into a full-fledged entertainment arena. Check the link in the description to order the SYLVOX outdoor TV and bring high-end cinema, gaming, and smart technology to your backyard today.